Good day, intelligence. Today we will see the chapter time. Right? Time. What is time? Right? You have here. Time is the moment. Right? For example, I am closing my eye and opening. Right? See here, I am blinking like this. This difference, closing and opening, this difference is a time. Right? Let's suppose I am taking this and keeping it down. This is a time calculation. I have taken a particular time and kept it here. This is a time. The moment is nothing but the time. The previous ancient people, they have like this clocks. They will put some mud in there and they will come down. With that they have calculated the previous ancient peoples, right? Ancient peoples, they have calculated the time like this parts. But nowadays we got the clocks, right? See here, different clocks we have like this. In your home you may have, right? Like this with the clock. Mama will say it's 8 o'clock or it's 6:10. You go to school, go for a tuition, something they will say, right? It's like that. This is the clock. Fine. So time chapter starts with the clock. Let's start. See, we have three hands here, right? One is a short hand, another one is a long hand, and a minute hand, right? See here, it's a hour hand, it's a minute hand, it's a second hand, right? Seconds. So 60 seconds is 1 minute. You have studied this already in your second standard. Just take like that, right? This is 16. If this goes like this, one rotation, right? This is starting point. From here it goes like this. This is called 1 minute. In 60 seconds becomes 1 minute, right? Similarly, the long hand is a minute hand, right? If this long hand goes like this for 60, see here there is a movement of this, right? Now 1 hour has gone, right? If I move this for 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 1 hour has gone, right? So 60 minutes make 1 hour. Similarly, morning we are 8 o'clock, we are going to school. In the evening you go back from the school, then night you sleep, and you get up, morning again 8 o'clock comes, means 24 hours, right? We will be having a 1 day, 24 hours. 24 hours is 1 day. Because you know, daily they are saying, morning sun will rise, right? Evening sun will set, moon will come. Then again next day morning sunrise is coming. Means it is, you can relate with your social studies, right? What we have studied, you have earth ball, the earth automatically it rotates like this, right? You have studied in your social. This rotation is 1 day. Similarly, it moves to the next point. Then again the earth rotates like this in its own axis. This moment is 24 hours, right? Here what happened? Very thin hand. See here, if this rotation comes, it 60 seconds comes, 1 minute is happening. Then again this 60 minutes if you take, 1 hour is moving, right? It's like that. 24 hours is 1 day. Similarly, weekly how many days we have? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Right? You know, 7 days we have. That 7 days we used to call it as 1 week. Similarly, 4 weeks if we join together, or 30 days will be a 1 month. For example, January if you take, it is different. We used to calculate like this. January, February, month of year, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So whenever the month comes in the bulging point, this point, you have to put it as 31 days. And in between, here if it comes, the month comes. Here it is not 31 days, it is 30 days. You have to reduce it by 1. February has already 28 days. You know it very well, right? In your previous class you have studied. February has 28 days. Only for a leap year, you will get 29 days. Right? January is 31 days. February, March 31 days. April 30 days. May 31. June 30, July 31. Again August 31, September 30 days, October 31, November 30 days, December 31. Like this you have to note the months. So some months will have 30 days, some other months will have 31 days. That you have to do activity in your book. Okay? 31 days also we have, 30 days also we have for a month. Like this, if we add together 12 months added, we will be having 1 year. For example, April 27 if you have born, right? Next year you will celebrate the birthday. Do you remember? You used to celebrate your birthday. That means 1 year is completed. So 12 months if we cross, we have completed 1 year. Right? So 12 months if we cross, it is 1 year. Or in a days if you want, you can say 365 days. If a 365 days, daily, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like 365 days if we cross, that is 1 year. Or in a week twice you can say 52 weeks together will become 1 year all together. So 1 year. Normally, right? If it is a leap year is 1 day extra than the other. Normally it is 365 days, but in a leap year 366 days. 1 day extra. That in the higher classes you will study very clearly. Fine. Now we will go further. For example, let me have the timers. Now what is the time now? Short hand is the hour hand, long hand is the minute hand, this is the second hand, right? So now the time is 3 o'clock 5 minutes, right? Or 3:05 minutes. Now the time is 3:05. Let's check your book now. After the time, you can go for the days. Right, after the time calculation only you can go for the days in the calendar. Right, just now we have discussed how many, this is a month, it's an April month. See, from 1 to 30 comes, right? So 30 days, April month has 30 days. Fine. In your book, see, there is a practices here. So what you have to practice is, Teacher Day is on which day? 5th September you have to write, right? And Independence Day, you know very well, it is 15th August. Republic Day, it is 26th January. Children's Day, 14th November. All these things you have to practice it. And match the following. See, November 15, 2018 is written here. November is the 11th month, right? November is the 11th month. Fine. So you have to match it here, November 15. So you have to match like this. Finally, next what? June 16. So you have to match it here. You have to practice it at your home. April 26. So 26 for 2018. Right. December 1, 2017. So December 1, 2017 is here. Where it is? December 10. December 10. So it is here. Then May 26, 2017. It is here. It's a 5th month. So like this you have to practice it. Like what is there? Look at the above calendar and fill in the blanks. So they told you to check up this calendar and you have to fill this. Right? You do it in your home. It's very simple. And the next one. Kids, you used to get the tablets or syrups in your from the parent, right? Suppose if you get a cough, or if you need iron, it's iron syrup. See, in this there is a date. See here, manufacturing date and expiry date. Is it written here? Are you able to see? See here, manufacturing date is May 19 and expiry date is April 21. Fine, are you able to see it, kids? May 19 and April 21. Fine. Like this, wherever you go to shop, or your parents may go to shop and get something, right? That time, what is your duty is, it's a good manners. Your duty is, you have to check the expiry date and manufacturing date in all the products, because nowadays all the products are not good, right? So you have to check it. If it is crossing, see, it is April 21, it is written in this. Instead, if it is written April 2020, means if you have seen the bottle, you have to throw it out, because it crosses the expiry date. So you should not use that. Okay. Expiry date comes, you have to close it. You try to check. Hereafter you have to check it. Whatever you purchase, you have to check the manufacturing date and expiry date. It's a good manners, fine. In your book, if you see, again they have given a practice. Write the manufacturing date and expiry date of the following items. So they have given here. See here, it's a manufacturing date and as well as the expiry date. Similarly, this place also and everything, you just check it and write it here this side. Fine. Now the next thing is, in your practice they have written honey is this, manufacturing date is this one and expiry date is here. Similarly, you can see here, right, what is the manufacturing date? It is May 19. Let me write May 19 and April 21 is the expiry. See, 15/7/2017 to 18/9/2019. So you subtracted 17 to 19, there is 2 years. And in between the months you just subtracted, it is 7, that is 9. So you subtracted. Similarly, cashew nut. Here it is 2005 and 2008. Just subtract it and write the difference here in this place. Okay. Fill in the next activity is fill in the date of manufacture and date of expiry of a food. Anything in your home they would have purchased, right? That you check it and fill it. Now we will move on to the leap year. Check here the years. Fine. Leap year means, just now I have explained. What I have explained? 366 days is a leap year, I said. Example, 2016 is a leap year. Similarly, 2000, after 4 years the leap year comes. Every four the leap year will be, right? 2016 is a leap year. Similarly, 2020 is a leap year. There is a difference of 4. If a number are multiplied or divided with the 4, that will be a leap year. You always remember this. 2016 is divided by 4, right? So it is a leap year. Then after that 20. The next is what we will get. It must be 2024 because after 4 years. After this leap year will be 2028. You know the 4 table, right? The 4 table you have to update. Similarly, before this, which year will be the leap year? You can guess and say directly. 16 means before that 12. So 2012 is the leap year previously. Before that 2008. Before that 2004. Before that 2000. All these years are multiples of 4, right? Leap years will be the multiples of 4. The gap between leap year is 4 years. But in your book it is written, you just take it. See, you have to practice this also. Find how many days are there in the first months of the leap year, right? So first 5 months calculated: January, February, March, April, May. Till that you have to calculate the days and write it. Then find the next 5 leap years. Just now we have written it on the board. So next 5 leap years you can write. And circle the ordinary years and the box leap year. So what you have to, ordinary means you have to just circle it, right? If it is a leap year, you just box it. Fine kids, you do all the practice here, activities here.